Hello. My name is Joe, and in this short video I want to explain the value that build your own app can bring to you. As you well know, apps are everywhere, and they are available from a variety of app stores. That's great. But, what about if you want to build, personalize or customize your own app? What about if you want to use your app independently on a specific device type? What about if you really want to be social in the way you create your app, and you want to do it without any programming skill? Well, today it is just not possible to do that. It would be like if you need to express your ideas only by having to use pieces that someone else built for you. But this is where Build Your Own App can really help you, giving you the possibility to build your own app with just a few clicks, allowing you to run the app on your favorite device or simply as a web application in your browser, and you may truly leverage the community while you are building your application. Really cool. But let me run you through an example so you may better understand what Bring Your Own App is about. So let me first introduce my friend Sally, who will help me here.
Hello, this is Sally.
Sally, what app idea do you have today?
Well, I would like to do something around stock management. Something simple but that fits my needs. I would like an app that keeps me constantly informed about my favorite stock.
Okay. Let's get into the BYOA site. From here you may easily use your app. Or you can build or customize your app. Or you may ask the BYOA community to build the app or part of your app for you. So in our case we want to build in a few minutes the app you want. So let's click build. Here we are in the build section. Let's see. Let's have a look at our object pane. Here you can define the things, the actions and the helpers that will be part of your app. We go in the Things tab and we just search for stock. A stock icon appears. So let's drag and drop it into the main app pane. A stock form displays where you may insert the stock symbol and then decide which characteristics you want to show. In this case stock value, market cap, EPS, and you may easily arrange how this widget will appear in your final app.
Interesting.
Yes, so let's quickly add some other widgets. So for example, let's add at the top the input field for the stock.
And how you link them?
Easy. I just click on the input field on the stock thing. And in the properties editor, I can not only change the graphical appearance of the element but I can also connect it with the input field I just dragged on the top. Done.
Cool. But how do you know everything works fine?
At any time you can always simulate your app. And you can have a look at how it will behave so you can iterate quickly. Here for example you may simulate your app on your favorite device, and you may test everything works fine.
Nice!
Okay, now let's go back to our build section and let's do more. I see a website thing. Okay. Let's drop this website thing into the main app pane. Let's position it as we like. And, as we did before, let's connect this URL with the website, Market Watch, for this stock name. And now let's see how it looks. I type MSFTS stock symbol. And then I type HP.
So cool! But can I be just alerted when my stock changes?
Of course. Let's move to the Action tab. From here you can add actions to automate your app. Here you have different types of actions. In this case we use an SMS. Actions do not have graphical appearance but allow to automate the app. As usual in the property editor we define the behavior of this action. We set the input for the action, phone number and the text. We decide when trigger this action, every hour. And we want the action started when the value of the stock exceeds $180. Done. And at this point every time your stock will exceed the $180 you will be alerted with an SMS. See?
Wow!
And now you can publish your app. You can publish your app on the cloud available through the web or you can build a mobile app for your device.
Fantastic!
And there is much more. For example, BYOA fully leverages the modern link data approach that gives you full reach into the web.
What does it mean to me?
Well, it means that BYOA knows about the things it manages and it knows about their relationships. So, for example, if I deal with stock and I start entering a value, BYOA only provides me suggestions in context. But perhaps, the use of helpers provides the best example of linked data.
Okay, tell me more.
Besides things and actions, you can also easily add helpers to your app. We can search for helpers related to stocks, and now we can apply this best performing stock helper to the input field where we ask for the name of the stock. At this point, when you run your app, a question mark will appear close to that input field. And clicking it, you can obtain the best performing stock over the last year.
Cool.
Yes. But the exciting part is that you may not only use helpers out of the box, as in this case, but you can also apply the universal helper, where you can just type your own search criteria, for example asking the best technology stock in 2013, where the company is operating in the big data area, and where the company has more than 500 employees. And BYOA, through linked data, helps you to find the right stock value matching your criteria.
Wow. Fantastic! I have so many ideas where BYOA can greatly help me to improve my e-shopping experience, my travel plans, even to make smarter my house, and so many others.
Yes. So, you have seen how simple with BYOA is to use your app independently of the device type, how easy it is to transform your idea in an app, and do not forget to share with the community and ask them to build pieces for you.
Thank you! This really made my day. Let me go play with it now.